I want you to stop scrolling and watch this right now. If you're a solopreneur that's still trying to create content where it takes hours or even days to produce, if you are, you're already falling behind. Right now, there are people in your niche that's able to mass produce over 30 days worth of content in just 90 minutes. Same quality, better reach. And these solopreneurs, they don't have a large team or any team, and they don't have a secret system that you don't know about. So how are they getting this done? It's because of AI. So if you're tired of content draining your time, killing your consistency, or slowing down your business, then in the next few minutes, I'm gonna break down exactly what you need to know and how to create 30 days worth of content in less than 90 minutes with just 3 simple AI tools. Okay, first up, Canva AI. Now I know what you're thinking. Canva is not anything new, and you're right. But what most people don't realize about Canva is that it's integrated AI features that completely transform its basic design tool into a content creation machine. Here's why this matters. You don't need to know anything about design principles. You don't need to understand color theory, typography, or composition. The AI does all that heavy lifting for you. Let me show you what I mean. Inside Canva, there's a feature called Magic Design. You upload a photo or describe what you want, and the AI instantly generates dozens of professional looking designs across multiple different platforms. So that's like Meta, Instagram, stories, ads, you name it. But here's where it gets more powerful. Canva AI can also write your copy. Let's say you're a personal trainer launching an online coaching program. You hop into Canva, you tell the AI you need an Instagram post promoting a 30-day fitness challenge. And within seconds, you get a persuasive copy, eye-catching visuals, and multiple variations to choose from. You pick the one you like, tweak a color or two if you want, and boom, you're done. What used to take hours now takes you minutes. All right, let's talk about app number 2, and this one's actually taking over the AI content game right now, which is Nano. This tool is an absolute gem, and I'm genuinely shocked it's not talked about more. So it's specialized in creating stunning visual image content. We're talking Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, blog graphics, media visuals, basically any image-based content that you need. Now here's where most beginners get stuck with images. You have to spend hours researching through stock photos, sites trying to find something that actually matches your brand, or you're trying to create custom images, but you don't have the design skills to actually make them look professional. Nano eliminates all of that. Here's how it works. You simply describe what you want to see. So for example, a minimalist image of a person working on their laptop in a cozy coffee shop, or an abstract representation of growth and success with warm tones. The AI then generates multiple different high-quality images based on your description. But here's where it makes it special. It's built on Gemini 3, which means it understands context and nuance better than most image generators out there right now. So you're not getting weird, distorted hands or nonsensical backgrounds. You're actually getting usable, professional images that actually make sense. And the best part, you can generate multiple different variations instantly. Don't like the color scheme? Ask for warmer ones. Need a different style? Request it. The AI adapts to you in real time. And here's why this matters. Visual content is everything on social media. Posts with images get 650% more engagement than text-only posts. But most small business owners, they can't afford a photographer or a designer, or they just settle for generic stock photos that look like everyone else's content. You don't want to be like that. So Nano gives you the custom, unique images that actually represents your brand and message without needing any design experience. So that's number 2. All right, the last and final AI content powerhouse that I really enjoy, that I really love, is called Captions.ai. This is where things get really exciting for video content. Here's the reality. Video is actually king right now. Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, YouTube long form. These formats are getting like 10x more reach specifically for short form. But here's the problem. Most people watch videos with the sound off. So that means 85% of social media videos are watched without sound. Let that sink in for a second here. So if you're creating content without captions, you're basically invisible to most of your audience. But manually adding captions to videos, that's tedious, it's time consuming, and honestly, most people rather just skip it. That's where Captions.ai comes in for you. This tool uses AI to automatically transcribe your videos and add animated captions in real time. But it's not just basic subtitles, okay? It's much more powerful than that. We're talking stylized, eye-catching captions that actually enhance your video and keep people watching more. So here's what makes it powerful. With its advanced AI, it will transcribe everything you say and add perfectly timed captions, no manual typing, no timestamp adjustment. It just works that simply. Now, Captions.ai doesn't just add captions. There's a lot more to it. It can also automatically trim silences, add B-roll footage for you, insert transitions, and even suggest cuts to make your videos more engaging. It's like having a video editor in the background that's invisible working for you. And here's the best function that I personally find. This one's actually super wow. If you're recording yourself and you're looking at your script and you're not really looking at the camera, so the AI in Captions.ai actually adjusts your eye focus and make it look like you're actually directly looking at the camera. So it's subtle, but it makes a huge difference right now in how professional your video feels. So that means you don't need to learn how to create complex video or use complex editing softwares like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut. And you don't need to hire an editor. You just need to record yourself on your phone, upload it to Captions.ai, and let the AI handle everything else. That's the point. So what used to require hours of editing and weeks of multiple batch videos now take minutes. All right, so we covered the 3 apps that is going to become a content powerhouse. But here's where this actually gets interesting. These tools actually work much better when you actually put them together. That's why I want to leave a clear action plan of how you can implement all of this week to make it work. So step 1, you want to pick one of these 3 tools to play with to start with. Don't try to learn all 3 at once. If you're more design focused, start with Canva AI. If you want to dive into more heavy, stunning visuals, go with Nano Banana. You enjoy creating videos, go with Captions.ai. Step 2, block out 2 hours this week. Put it on your calendar. Use that time to create your first batch of content using your chosen AI. Don't aim for perfection, just aim for done. Step 3, post consistently for 30 days when you're ready. Use what you create, see how your audience responds, learn what works, and just adjust as you go. Step 4, after 30 days, add the second tool. Then the third, build your system over time instead of trying to do everything at once. That's how you win. Not by being perfect, but just by being consistent and letting those tools remove the friction that's been holding you back. Listen, I know creating content can feel overwhelming. I've been there. I've been creating content for almost a decade now. Staring at a blank screen, wondering what to post, feeling like everyone else has it figured out but you. But here's what I've learned. The entrepreneurs who win aren't necessarily the most creative or the most talented. They're actually the ones that just finds the right tools, build the right system, and show up consistently and post. So these 3 AI apps, Canva AI, Nano Banana, and Captions.ai are your unfair advantage right now to make this easier. So while others are still spending hours agonizing over every post, you're creating content in minutes. While they're stuck and overwhelmed, you're building momentum. While they're waiting for the perfect time, you've already gone miles ahead. So take action, use these tools to your content creation machine, and just watch things take off. Now, if you're serious about your business and your success, then I want you to hit the subscribe button right now, because every single week, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you real practical skills, strategies, and tips to help you build a very successful business. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, I want us to win together. So what I want you to do is, there's a video below, check that out, because I'm sure it's gonna help you grow that much faster. So check out that video below.